This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to release, calculate, and simulate a round plan. How to release a round plan. Once you are done with filling out the round plan, click Release to proceed with the creation of round orders from the plan. How to calculate a round plan. Once the round plan is in the released status, click Calculate to create round orders based on the plan. Check if the information specified in the window is correct and click OK to proceed. In the Frequencies tab, you can now see the current round order number, which refers to the round order you have just calculated. You can click the number to view the plan or make changes to it if needed. Clicking on the current round order number on the Frequencies tab opens the round order card. How to simulate a round plan. On the round plan, click Simulate Plan to simulate round orders. In the window, you will see the round plan in the plan number field. Click OK to continue. Click Simulated Instances to view the simulations you have just created. On the list, you can see all simulated instances from the round plan you have created.